Alphin's Delta 4 and 5 jeans are here to change the way we wear our denim and our smartphones by always keeping your phone in the same place that is easy to retrieve and use. The straight leg cut jeans are expertly constructed in San Francisco, the birthplace of blue jeans and the heartland of mobile technology. These zipper fly jeans are made of coated premium cotton denim with a deep indigo colour and a great feel. The military green pockets are made of ultra soft organic cotton. The extended belt loop with tactical black keyring makes it easy to attach a wallet or keychain. The Delta 4 and 5s feature our Gen 2 Wearcom pocket with a zippered flap cover. This new feature gives a more discreet look and full usability of the smartphone while sitting down. The patented Wearcom pocket is made of durable polymer film to allow for complete interactivity with touchscreen devices, such as iPhones, Droids and similar devices of up to 3 by 5 inches. A buttonhole above the genuine leather film edge opens into the front pocket for threading headphones or mic wire into the right panned pocket. Our jeans represent a new generation of clothing, handmade with the same care, techniques and fabrics traditionally used by San Francisco's denim industry, and infused with 21st century utility and materials to accommodate our urban mobile culture. Visit us at alphinind.com and like us on Facebook at facebook.com/alphinindustries.